Hi, I'm Chris and I want to welcome you to the new H&I Automotive video blog. Just going to start doing these hopefully on a weekly basis, maybe a little bit more often. And it's not just going to be my talking head in front of this camera like I am right now. This is purely for the introduction. We are going to do a lot of location stuff. You know, we're going to go to exotic places like inside the shop, over to the Gilbert shop, outside. But now really, just going to try to do little tidbits here and there. Maybe if I'm at a car show or some small town in Arizona, did a road trip, we'll do a little blog from there. But mainly want to cover, yes, I'm going to cover what H&I is all about, but we're also going to cover proper upkeep on your car, including maintenance and also keeping it looking nice. So we'll do some cleaning and detailing advice too. And then we'll also talk about just like I said, just common things about cars or traffic laws or road trips. There are no rules. I'm not going to have any scripts. I'm just going to go out here and just start talking like I am now, and hopefully it's something you enjoy. And we'll just want to get the most out of it. Make sure you first of all like us on Facebook, and then you can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And then the big one is make sure you go ahead and get us on YouTube. So that's going to be the big one. This is where most of these videos are going to show up. So I want to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So anyhow, that's really all I have for the introduction. Just look forward to doing a lot of these for you, and hopefully you enjoy them, and we'll just keep going from there. One more thing is, if you want a certain subject covered, of course you can go ahead and just put a comment on anything that you see on social media, or you can send me an email to chrism@h&iautomotive.com, which is right down here right now. And of course, you want to check out more things about our business, you can go to our website, which is H&iautomotive.com, right there. So anyhow, well, I got nothing else, so I guess we're going to end this now and look forward to our first video. Have a great day.